Let's make a miniature food tray for our dollhouse bed. I bought some rectangular blocks from the Dollar Tree toys section. 3 stacked horizontally and 2 vertically along the sides isn't too small or too big for my full/double dollhouse bed. I was going to make wooden handles, but I want as much room as I can manage for photographing my tray, so I decided to go with holes in the top of the wood and silk cord handles. I started by measuring where the holes should go, and then used a Dremel to make the holes. I didn't go all the way through, just a short drill hole. Next, I glued the pieces together. Then I took square cubes from the craft section at the Dollar Tree and glued 4 to the bottom. Then I stained it with 3 coats of my favorite walnut wood stain. After everything dried, I dropped a bit of super glue on the 3-inch silk cord ends and pushed them into the bottom of the holes. With rat tail silk cord, you can burn the ends and make a sharp tip. Trim it and then insert it with ease. I think it makes a cute addition to my Valentine's Day diorama.